Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and make sure you turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. Now, Paul Manafort hits back, accuses Robert Mueller of illegal property search. Trump's former campaign chair Paul Manafort's lawyers accused Mueller's team of illegal property search in a late Friday night court filing. Now, a search warrant was issued for a storage locker on May 27th, which gave the FBI authorization to seize any financial or tax records relating to Manafort or his business partner Rick Gates. Now, Manafort filed this motion 24 minutes before the deadline, according to Politico reporter Josh Gerston. Now, Politico reports this: the FBI first got into the Alexandria, Virginia storage unit last May with the assistance of an employee who worked at two or more of Manafort's companies. An agent told the federal magistrate judge who issued the warrant. Then the agent used what he saw written on so-called bankers' boxes and the fact there was a 5-drawer file cabinet to get permission to return and seize many of the records. Now, in a motion filed Friday night in federal court in Washington, Manafort's defensive team contends that the initial entry was illegal because the employee did not have the authority to let the FBI into the locker. The defense also argues that the warrant was overbroad and that agents seizing records went beyond what limits the warrant did set. Now, the FBI agent had no legitimate basis to responsibly believe that the former employee had common authority to consent to the warrantless initial search of the storage unit, attorneys Kevin Downing and Thomas Zinel wrote. Now, in a new motion, Manafort's defense asked the judge overseeing the Washington case, Amy Bierman Jackson, to rule that the search was illegal and suppressed the evidence the FBI found. Now, defense attorneys were also facing a deadline Friday to file a motion to suppress evidence found in a search of Manafort's Alexandria condo in July, but they asked for a last-minute extension until Monday. Now, also, according to a Thursday court filing, special counsel Robert Mueller has obtained a new search warrant on Trump's former campaign manager Paul Manafort in March of this year, relating to ongoing investigations that are not the subject of either of the current prosecutions. An August 2nd, 2017 memo from Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein to special counsel Robert Mueller surfaced late Monday evening in a court filing. Now, Mueller used the memo to defend his scope of the investigation against a recent motion Manafort filed to dismiss his case. Now, in a heavily redacted memo, Robert Mueller admits Rosenstein's order appointing him to special counsel was intentionally vague. This violates the special counsel law that requires a specific statement of facts to be investigated, says attorney Greg Jarrett. Now, it was also previously reported by Law and Crime that Mueller's raid on Paul Manafort's home took place before August 2nd, the date that Rosenstein provided Mueller support for the raid. The FBI reportedly manhandled Manafort and his wife in the early morning raid on July 26th. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. Peace.